What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did this super duper freaking cute Frozen 2 Elsa inspired look. Basically, my friend got me the new Frozen 2 Elsa Colourpop palette, and I was like, I'm going to use this to my advantage, and I really wanted to do like something involving snowflakes because that just seems so fun and like artsy, and I don't know, it's December. Moving on, so basically I really wanted to do something involving snowflakes, and I love the color blue, especially in December, so I was like, I'm going to create this beautiful, oh no, did I stain my shirt? What? Okay, it's been a long day. You know what? If you guys like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I am pulling out my Too Faced Natural Luster bronzer, and I'm just going to be doing my contour slash bronzer, obviously. Okay, and now we're moving on to eyes, and I'm just pulling out my Frozen 2 Colourpop Elsa palette. First, I'm just going to be going into the color Fire and putting it on my crease. Next, I'm just going into the color Cuddle Close and just putting that on my brow bone. Can I just say how cute all the names on this palette is? Because, like, they're so cute. Now, I'm just going into the color Water and putting that on my crease, really defining the crease line. Now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just putting this on my eyelid. This is just to help make the color more vibrant. And now I'm just going back into the color Water and putting this all over my eyelid. Okay guys, now before we get into all the eyeliner and stuff, we are just going to be pulling out my NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the color White Blank, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. I'm going back into the color Fire and just putting it all the way underneath my eye. Now I'm going into the color Northern Lights and just putting that on top of the color Fire. And now it is time to move on to eyeliner. So I'm just going to be pulling out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Okay, so now I'm just taking out my Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be doing a line, an outline basically, like a sketch, turning this into a double cut crease, and we're going to be using eyeliner on top of that. You're basically just going to be using the concealer as like a sketch almost. And now I'm just pulling out my Stila Stay All Day eyeliner in the color Snow, and I'm just going to be putting this on top of the concealer we just applied. And now I'm just going to be drawing a little snowflake right here. So now that I have the snowflake done, for some reason my camera cut out, like I don't know how much of that. So I'm hoping that it got the snowflake, but basically you just draw snowflakes. I'm just going to be doing a white line underneath my wing. And now I'm just going to be going back into the color Cuddle Close and putting that in the inner corner of my eye. And next I'm going into the color Flurry and putting that also in the inner corner of my eye on top of the color Cuddle Close. And again, these are actual glitter sparkles, so just be careful and just try to dab it on so that you don't like get it anywhere else, because it's really hard to get off. Okay guys, I'm just going to go do the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back and we will work on everything else. Okay beauty babes, so I finished the other eye and I just popped on some lashes. And now I'm just pulling out my Tarte 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe, and I'm just going to be using the one with the colors Frosty, Sleigh Bells, and Shimmering. And I'm just grabbing at the color Frosty. And then I'm just taking out the blush, which is the color Sleigh Bell. Now I'm moving on to lashes, and I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. then finally for lipstick, I am just pulling out my What a Shock Too Faced Multi Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking It. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located all right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my last video, which is playing underneath me right now. So make sure to click those links. And if you guys ever try and do any of these looks, then please DM them to me because I'd love to see that. I think it's so cool and cute. So yes. DM me, tweet me, whichever one, don't really care. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays, so make sure to check that out. Okay, I think that is all that needs to be said. Bye bye, big babes, love you.